While I was exploring around the food festival, I came across Churros Susanna. Now churros ingredients are similar towards waffles. Why these are different is that they are fried, crispy and have a different shape. Now these traditional Spanish churros were the first time I've ever tasted them and they were delicious. Nice and crispy that goes very well with chocolate sauce. So if you do come across anyone selling fresh churros, then grab yourself a quick bite. Yeah.
It's vegan friendly or vegetarian with the chocolate, so. Lovely.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Oh.